Well, good morning. Time right now 6:18. We're coming up on weather and traffic. This is a live look of our Las Cruces camera on the NMSU campus, sponsored by Conviva. Whole lot of clouds, but the Oregon Mountains at least lit up in the distance as the sun begins to rise this Monday morning. And current temperatures right now at 72 degrees in Las Cruces, dealing with a northwest wind around 5 miles per hour, but the added moisture is definitely in the air. You can definitely feel it. We're at 62% humidity levels across the city of the Crosses. In El Paso, we're at 74 degrees, north wind at 6 miles per hour. Our humidity levels are at 60% as of right now. Zoom in and tighter to Doppler radar, see what we're tracking. We're just tracking mainly cloud cover for us here locally in the El Paso and the Las Cruces area. But just north of us, we're tracking some rain showers across Socorro, just east of I-25 and east of Truth or Consequences. Some moderate rainfall at times. Earlier this morning, we were tracking a couple of thunderstorms, but mainly these storms are moving in an easterly direction. So we could see another round of rain for Ruidoso and Cloudcroft in the Sacramento Mountains. In the past 24 hours or so, we picked up at least 1/4 of an inch of rain up in Ruidoso, less than 1/10 of an inch for Silver City, and El Paso and Las Cruces, nothing as of right now. But we still are keeping our eyes out on the tropics. This is Tropical Storm Ida, was a hurricane. We're dealing with heavy rain bands affecting millions of Americans. Just really devastating news coming out of many areas in the Gulf Coast. Mobile, all the way up to Jackson. Heavy rain bands. Doppler radar is lit up like a Christmas tree. We got tornado watches, warnings, and flood warnings. And closer to home, we are tracking Tropical Storm Nora. And the moisture from this will fuel our thunderstorms midweek. And as the storm progresses in a northerly direction and enters cooler waters, it will break apart. But the remnants of that will fuel our thunderstorms. So let's track it with our future track computer model. 4 o'clock later on today, we're dealing with isolated storm chances for many areas of our viewing area. Eastern counties, isolated pop-up storms across Van Horn and Sierra Blanca, the Guadalupe Pass. Not a whole lot of green popping up for the Las Cruces El Paso area once we stop the clock here at 6 p.m. But mainly these storms will begin to develop in the higher terrains and work their way down to the lowland locations. And by the time we hit tomorrow, we'll be dealing with more cloud cover, kind of like a rinse and repeat of what we saw today. And these thunderstorms will develop again later on in the afternoon for your Tuesday. By Wednesday, the moisture from Nora will work its way in and will fuel even more thunderstorms across our area, beginning in western areas of the Rio Grande, such as Arizona and the Gilas. By Thursday and Friday, I think we could see some widespread rain showers and thunderstorms. But let's get you through today first. We're expecting a high temperature of 94.5 degrees for Socorro, 94 in Clinton, and 93 in Fabens. Keep in mind, we'll throw in that isolated chance for a thunderstorm. Across southern portions of Doña Ana County, we'll be at 94 for La Union and 95 in Santa Teresa.